Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your BattleNet account to Activision. So firstly, just simply open up your web browser and go to the blizzards.com. Then just simply log into your account, or if you don't have one, just simply sign up. After you're logged into your account, just simply go to activision.com. Then over there, just simply create an account over there as well. And then after creating the account, just simply click profile. Then enter your password, then simply sign in, and then again go to your profile. And now what you have to do is just simply click link account in the battle.net over here. Just simply click over here. Now it will send a code to the email ID which is linked to battlenet.com. So just simply click send code, then go to the email address and check whether the email has came or not. So after a few minutes, you will receive a code from Activision. So after you receive the code, just simply copy this particular code. Then press copy. Then go to the Activision site over here. Then enter your code over here. Then press submit. Now after that, when you again click link account, it will ask you to give him the access to verify the battle.net information. So what you have to do is just simply press continue over here. Then it will take few seconds. Then within a few seconds you will see, after that, getting all of your information from the battle.net, your battle.net account will be linked. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.